Welcome to our comprehensive guide on DIY off-grid power systems. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a step-by-step starter guide that is perfect for absolute beginners looking to venture into the world of off-grid power systems. Whether you are planning to live off-grid or just need a backup power supply, this video is your one-stop solution. In our first segment, we'll begin by understanding what off-grid power systems are all about. These systems are independent power grids not connected to the main or national electricity. Many households prefer it as a way of being energy self-sufficient, especially when living in remote areas where power supply might be inconsistent. Before starting our DIY project, it is crucial to know the key components of an off-grid power system. We will introduce each element, their purpose, and how they come together to create an independent power supply. These are solar panels, batteries, charge controller, and an inverter. Now that we have an idea about the necessary material, our next step involves sourcing for these components. We'll guide you on how and where to get the best materials for your power system to ensure efficiency and longevity. The most exciting part is putting together your off-grid power system. With our detailed guide and your DIY spirit, we are going to make it happen. Remember, safety first. Always follow each step carefully and ask for help when necessary. At this stage, we have our off-grid power system set up, but before you can begin using it, there is need to perform checks and troubleshoot where necessary. This is important to ensure that your system is safe and working efficiently. By now, you should have successfully set up your off-grid power system. We hope this guide has made your DIY project easy and fun to follow. Stay tuned for more off-grid living tips and tricks.